Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, welcome. If you're not, thanks so much for coming back. Is he looking at me? Today we have, this is the AIA bundle box. It is bi-monthly. If you want to see what December box is, keep on watching. So I did get tracking information on this bundle, and it's heavy. It is 4 pounds, guys. I want to see what's in here. So here we have AIA awards. So at AIA awards, and sorry, my ring light is in the way, so let's open it. And that's what it looks like. Here we have a card. There it is. Very heavy. Okay, so Truss Professional is the company. And this is the beautiful lady here. And we have, looks like 6 items. And it says Truss Professional. She founded it 20 years ago to create products that would deliver results beyond expectations. So I'm interested, since this looks like hair care, is it vegan? Is it paraben free? Is it sulfate free? Because I like to use products that don't have sulfates because it dries your hair out. So let's get into this box. All right, before I do, I have some Christmas cards. Look at this cute little sticker. This is from Lorna. Shout out to Lorna. Lorna B. Okay, here it is. The snowman. May your Christmas wishes come true. I hope you and your family have a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. This is a very cute snowman on the back. I put these next to the tree, so thank you, Lorna. Then I have from Christy Lonnie Vlogs, all the way from Hawaii. So thank you so much, Christy. And we have this cute card here, the snow. And it says Happy Holidays. And I will also keep this by the tree. Oh, did you see that? All these cool stickers were in there. They're Care Bears. Oh my gosh. Even better. I didn't even see that. I should know to check. Let's get into this. And we will see. So we have Truss Hair Protector Gel Cream. Daily Protector. Detangling, softness, and shine. Hold. It has the hold values there. This is 250 mLs. There's no price for this on the card. Next is this Deluxe Prime Travel Size. This was unscrewed a little bit. Hair Reconstructor. To be used after shampoo but before conditioner. And this is 30 mLs. This is the travel size. As a leave-in or pre-blowout lotion. So a lot of this has already spilled out, which I will wipe off, but you can see it's oozing out. All right, then we have AIA Tangled Leave-In Detangler Spray. This is 4.05 ounces. All in one product. That is a must-have. Tangled is lightweight mist. Conditions, enhances shine. I will have to read the ingredients again before I use it because nothing says paraben free on the front. So I will have to check. This is the Night Spa Serum. Very nice packaging though with the pump. This is home care version, a light serum formula, recommended for weekly application to keep hair healthy. So it's 100% vegan. And it says anti-frizz, softness, extra shine, protective. Again, not saying anything about sulfates, so it's a whole hair care. This has a bunch of goo. Look at this packaging. Infusion conditioner, 300 mLs. It also says that it's vegan base, 100% vegan base. It just smells really clean from what oozed out. Oh yeah, guys, look at that. The oozage. Thankfully, it's just kind of like centralized in the bottom of the box. I'm not complaining because, I mean, it's hard to package this unless you're going to put it in bags. This smells pretty good. Kind of smells like Pantene, maybe, which I don't use. This is 100% vegan base for dry, dull, damaged hair. Color protection. No added salt or dyes. That's what it says on the card. It says 100% vegan base. 300 mLs. Not sure how I feel about the whole box being hair care, but somebody will use it in this house. That's for sure. So let me know your thoughts, guys, on this AIA bundle. It's good. It's just not the best. We've had Pure Lease. We've had Give Them Lala, which I absolutely love. So let me know down in the comments. Do you think this was a great box for $34.99 bi-monthly? I'm not feeling it, but I'm happy to have it. And I want to thank Lorna and Christy again for sending Christmas cards. Trying to be all festive here with my lights. I don't know if you guys can see, but I got this from the Dollar Tree haul. And the influencer was Manuella Bossa. Yeah, I don't know. My thoughts are I don't really want hair products, but that's just my thoughts. Hopefully next time will be better. But anyway, guys, thanks so much for watching. If you haven't already, hit the like button, subscribe, share, comment down below your thoughts. And as always, stay safe.